Hi there, in this video, I'll walk you through the notion of article marketing. What is article marketing? Article marketing is a type of content advertising by internet marketers or companies to generate traffic to their sites. It is also to increase sales opportunities for products or services available on the sites. It is a marketing approach focused on delivering valuable, relevant, and consistent content to your prospects. It's a channel to promote the author's expertise of their market. How does article marketing work? The key element is to provide valuable content to your readers and not just merely promoting your site, products, or services. When you've created your articles, it's then sent to various platforms, such as article directories for article syndication. These directories allow articles to embed links to other websites. Articles can also be syndicated through various social media sites such as Facebook and Twitter.